In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Salesforce field dependency. Whether you're a Salesforce admin or just getting started, this guide will help you set up field dependencies with ease and efficiency. Let's jump right in by ensuring you're logged into your Salesforce account. Once you've done that, you'll notice the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to all Salesforce setup features, so go ahead and click on it to open the setup menu. This menu gives you access to the many tools and options you'll need. Next, you'll find a search bar that acts as a quick find tool. Use this by typing in Object Manager to locate the Object Manager section. The Object Manager is essentially the control center for all the objects within your Salesforce organization. Once there, identify and select the particular object that you want to work with. After selecting your desired object, navigate to the Fields and Relationships tab, where we'll be setting up the field dependencies. Once you're in the Fields and Relationships section, look toward the top right of your screen, where you'll see the Field Dependencies option. Go ahead and click on it, then select New to start creating a new field dependency. You're now on the way to defining how fields relate to one another within your selected object. At this point, you will be asked to select the controlling field and the dependent field. These two fields will determine how your field dependency will behave. The controlling field is the field whose selection will dictate what's available in the dependent field. Go through the list and choose the ones that fit your needs, then click Continue. You will now see the dependency matrix, which visually illustrates the relationship between the controlling and dependent fields. In this matrix, you can set specific values for the dependent field based on selections from the controlling field. You simply check the boxes corresponding to the values you want to appear. This setup allows you to tailor the options in the dependent field precisely to your requirements. Once you're satisfied with your selections in the matrix, ensure everything is correct and then proceed by clicking Save to store the field dependency you've just set up. This step is crucial as it finalizes your setup process and integrates it with your object. Finally, remember to add the dependent field to the applicable page layout. This way, the field dependency you just configured will be visible and operational for users interacting with your object in the Salesforce interface. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up Salesforce field dependency. By following these steps, you will create a tailored user experience that streamlines data entry and improves overall user interaction within Salesforce. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you make the most out of Salesforce's robust capabilities.